Hi Dylan and the team, I'm Sierra, and I started my Etsy shop. Well, technically I started in December. I put my first listing up in January and I had my first sale the next day. I had an Etsy shop last year doing print on demand. I bought a course and I can't even compare that time of my life to now. Dylan's course is the most comprehensive course I have ever taken. Her YouTube channel, I've been binge watched every video before having my call with Dylan, and I've never felt so comfortable and confident in learning from someone than I do with Dylan. Dylan, you're so easily accessible. You help so much, and it's actually hard to wrap my mind around how much you actually do just from what we see. And that's not everything, I know. Like, we don't see every day, every minute of what you're doing, and it's just like, you are amazing with your team jumping in and helping too. That's amazing how much you've built up this community for us, how valuable everything you've done for me. I can't say thank you enough. So since I don't have a year-over-year metrics, I guess, or maybe I can't find them on Etsy, but just since January, I've had over 16,000 views. I've almost 5,000 visits. I'm about to hit 500 orders, so I'm pretty excited about that. My revenue from this shop doubled my original shop in the first month that I had open my new one. Thank you. My SEO, I'm still improving, but I mean, it's got to be doing something because I'm getting an order every single day. My goal for June was to be at an order a day. I'm getting multiple orders a day, like averaging for the past couple of weeks 2 to 4, which may not seem like a lot, but since I am making everything and it's just me, that's a lot, and it's great, and I'm really happy about it. I can't wait to expand my product line and see what else I can do, and where this shop can really go. I'm a nurse right now. I work on an oncology unit, and I love it, but I love doing my Etsy shop too. Every day that I'm not here at the hospital, I'm doing Etsy, and I am so happy. I'm making things, I'm bringing joy to people. That's what I love doing as a nurse, and that's what I'm doing outside of here too. So it's just, thank you for making this opportunity even an opportunity for me. I can't wait to see where I go, and I can't wait to see how much more I still learn every day from you. And even when I don't have the coaching, just watching your videos, going back through modules, I don't think I'll ever stop learning from you, and I don't think you'll ever stop helping and teaching. And this is, anybody who takes your course and gets to learn from you is beyond lucky. You do life-changing things, and anybody who gets to experience that I can't say thank you enough. So to Dylan and your team, you're doing amazing. You're letting all of us do amazing things too, and thank you.